was had in this Soldier the Gang spitter. Meek, you took an L with this one, homie. Yeah, you took an L. And I'm agreeing with Wack100. I'm agreeing with Wack100. He right, you wrong. And everybody who agree with you wrong. Let's break this down. I really personally, I really feel like y'all, it was an agreement. But they just say it wasn't no agreement. Y'all didn't plan it. They just say you didn't know what was finna go on, and he just pulled up on you. Everybody keeps saying, what y'all expect to do? Y'all expect Meek Mill to crash? How he gonna crash? You know what I'm saying? Like how he got pressed by 6ix9ine. That's what it was. 6ix9ine. How you gonna get pressed? You can't get pressed with the police. He the police. You can't get pressed with the police. Oh. First of all, most of the security guards that's with 6ix9ine, they didn't work for other rappers. They not the police. They don't have a badge. They never pulled out a badge. They don't have a badge. They don't get no discount when they go to the McDonald's, and they get no discount when they get their food and all that, and show that they're a cop of the state. Man, come on, man. He ain't walking around with no feds. He turned that deal down. He turned that down. Ain't no federal police walking with this man. And 6ix9ine is not the police. He worked with the police. He's not the police. He don't got no badge. He can't just do anything he wants to. He can't arrest nobody. He don't get no blue lights in his cars. He ain't the police. He just worked with them. He told. He's a rat. That's all it is. It ain't no he the police. No, he just worked with them. So all that you can't put your hands on the police, man. Cut that out. First of all, you're off probation, right? So what's the excuse? Second, you're in the stand your ground state, Florida, stand your ground. So even if he was a police officer, the police bringing him to confront you, you eat that up in court under the stand your ground law in Miami or in Florida, wherever y'all was at. Y'all was in Florida, wherever y'all was at in Florida, the whole state stand your ground. So if anybody pull up on you with aggressive attention, you can handle your business as far as standing your ground, whether it's with your fist, a bat, a gun, whatever. So save all that. Meek, it don't matter if it wasn't 6ix9ine. Ain't nobody you wouldn't have. He just proved that you ain't like that. He just proved that you soft. Just like a list of other niggas done that. You wouldn't have swung on no rapper. You wouldn't have did it if it was AR Ab. You wouldn't have did it. You wouldn't have swung. When you and Gang fell out, Gang wanted to do a one-on-one with you. He wanted to fight you one-on-one. You turned that down. You told his people you ain't want to fight. He wanted to fight. But if from Queens, when he ran up on you, you ain't want nothing with him. You didn't press the issue with Stafari. You just had him jump. You didn't do nothing with Fifth. Fifth said he wanted to hit you in your jaw. You didn't call him out. Say next time I see you, we gon'. You know you don't want him with Fifth. Me. Only person you probably swing on is Cassidy. You probably swing on Cassidy. You wouldn't even swing on Drake. Maybe Drake, maybe, but Cassidy for sure. For shit show, you'll do that. Come on, man. He just proving like you just a rapper. I can look at you and say you ain't. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to smoke. You want to throw your life away for hitting 6ix9ine? Throw your life away. So you may tell me they'll give you 20, 30 years for hitting 6ix9ine, swinging on him. When he came and pressed you, and it's on tape, and he recorded him calling you out in your stand your ground state. Me, you just don't want no static. Like you don't want no static with nobody. You can make it sound good, and when you take it from what you is as an artist, what kind of songs you can produce, and the money you got, and the following you got, we just saying you ain't, you ain't the roughest, toughest Dundada, and it's your squad. Like your real squad from Philly, they wouldn't even know. All that man got regular security just like anybody else. He turned the protection down from the feds. The feds say we'll get your tattoo removed, we'll give you supervision, we'll place you in all these different locations if needed. Yeah, get your hair cut and all that stuff. He turned that down. He turned the witness protection down. What you talking about? 6ix9ine just can't do what he want. If he would have swung on you, he would have got locked up. He would have violated probation. He would have got locked up. You ain't on probation. You chased Tafari on probation. Come on, man. He just proved to the world All he did was you ain't like that. You can say what you want to do. You can say what you want to say. You could have. Nah, I ain't saying that 6ix9ine came like he was gonna do something to you. He was just showing. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got the energy. You ain't got the same energy. You was shook. He shook. You was shocked. That's what it was. You was shocked that he actually did that. See, the only difference between you and 6ix9ine is you ain't never told with law enforcement on nothing. But I feel 6ix9ine got a little bigger heart than you do. Yeah, I think he got a bigger heart than you. I think he can sell better wolf tickets than you can. Yeah, cause both of y'all ain't like that, but he can sell better wolf tickets than you can. You see what I'm saying? Not because he can get louder than you. No, it's just the energy that he put in it. You know what I'm saying? You look like you be scared. You know what I'm saying? 6ix9ine, one of them dudes, you gotta whoop, you hitting him, and he might still be talking shit to you. You whooping him. You gotta knock him out type. So if you gave him that look and you did that, what you would have did with the OBH boys when the tension was up with them Goonie gang? What you would have did with that? Without your crew? Yeah, what you would have did? Yeah, what you would have did with Game? Some 6'4", sturdy. Yeah, what you would have did with that? Huh? What you would have did with boy from Queens? What you did with that? What can you do with Wack100? What can you do? You can't beat them physically. Like, you can't grab them and you can't beat them that way. You gotta try to work with your hands. Gotta try to work with your hands with them. You know what I mean? When you talking about no gunplay, we talking about straight fights. Come on, man. Nobody ever in the history of life threw their life away for hitting an informant or hitting somebody who told. What? Come on, man. Throw your life away like you really, if you hit 6ix9ine, the charge gonna say hitting a police officer. Like the charge gonna say hitting law enforcement, assault on law enforcement. Stop it, man. Stop it, man. It sounds good though, and people roll with that. They'll believe what you're saying. I'm saying no. I thought snitches get stitches. So where do that come from then? So all the niggas got to do is put a camera out and niggas ain't gonna do nothing. I'm talking about, yeah, you ain't got to just do something on your own, but I'm saying when you get pressed by them, you don't do nothing. Like, but I'm saying about you, because you said you gonna do all this stuff. You said you was a 6ix9ine stepper, 6ix9ine killer, academics killer, academic stepper, whoop them, it don't matter, treat them like a rag dog. You can't do nothing with no Philly artists. Yeah, you can't do nothing with your hands with no Philly artists in their prime. You couldn't have did nothing with Benny Single. You can't whoop Gilly the Kid, Meek Mill. You can't whoop Gilly the Kid. You can't whoop Wallow. Wallow gonna put you, once Wallow gets you on the ground, put you in the wrestling moves, he got you. You ain't gonna whoop Wallow. You can't whoop Benny Single. You can't whoop Freeway in his prime. You can't whoop Will Smith. Will Smith, you can't whoop Will Smith. You can't whoop Dark Low. You can't whoop AR Ab. You can't whoop Petey Petey. You can't whoop Young. You can get Cassidy. You know what I'm saying? You can get Cassidy. Yeah, you can't whoop nothing in state property. Yeah, you can't whoop nothing. Just maybe Cassidy. That's it, man. And when y'all fight, one scared and one glad he's scared. That's all that is, man. That's just the truth. Now we talking about rapping and getting money and stuff like that. Now I can't name all these people. We talking about status and all that. I can't. Yeah, but you can't talk all that and be backing down from that. You at least could have swung one time. You did. How you gonna say? And then how you gonna say he trying to send you to jail when you spit it and you spit on him? That's sending you sending yourself to jail. If he was gonna press you, it's why you got no warrant for your arrest right now then? All 6ix9ine had to do was call the police and tell them it's on tape. He spit on me and he admitted it. That's an assault. It should say assault on law enforcement. He the police. It should say assault on law enforcement. Spit on the police. See what the charge. Assault on the law enforcement. Yeah. What you mean? Come on, man. That was your team versus their team. That was your team versus that was your team versus his team. You trying to, He trying to 6ix9ine to send you to jail, but like you couldn't went to jail for the Safari thing. All Safari had to do was press charges. You recorded that. That wasn't Safari people that you recorded that. You could have went to jail for that. What you mean? Everything on record. 6ix9ine, he had to record it because nobody wouldn't believe it. You would have lied and say he didn't do what he said he did. Nobody would have believed it. And he need that for his image because you know he a troll. He need that for his image. Cause 6ix9ine he know who to run up on, who not to run up on. He ain't gonna do dudes that'll crash out. He ain't gonna run up on them. He gonna run up on the guys that he know that's soft. He know they ain't like that. People who ain't like that know who other people ain't like that. They can see through people. Yeah, it ain't hard. Yeah, he wouldn't run up on nothing that'll crash. He wouldn't run up on Young Boy and them and anything sturdy. He wouldn't run up on Mano and them. Yeah, he wouldn't go to the West Coast and run up on 50 Rich and them. He wouldn't run up on Gates and them. He wouldn't run up on 4KT and them. He wouldn't run up on the Kodak boys. The sniper gang. He wouldn't do that, man. Yeah, he wouldn't run up on the Clap Boys or GBE or certain members in OTF. But he gonna run up on you, Trippie Redd, Soulja Boy. They could swing too, but he'll take his chances. He'll run up on Famous Dex, people like that. They might do something, but he'll take his chance. That's what I'm saying. Rich the Kid, people like that, man. They know they care about their success. They care about their money. They ain't really trying to do no time. He'll run up on something like that. And then you're gonna call Wack100 out like when you see him, he won't get down in real life. He'll get down no matter what he look like when he went against the white boys. He'll get down. So it ain't about if he'll win or lose. He just will get down. He's not gonna turn down the fade. Since when street rappers cared about going to jail? Not no street rappers. Not the heart of Philly. You can't. Yeah, not that. Yeah. You ain't the king of Philly. You really that Gilly hand or AR hand. Not yours. You can't be. You can't be. Somebody running with police when you got police on your side too. You got the police on your side. He got regular security. He don't got no FBI agents around him. Yeah, he can make a phone call. Yeah, but you say he ain't got none around him. We might got an off-duty undercover cop, but he can't just compress you. The law's still a law. They can't send orders out like that. You can defend yourself, understand your ground. You ain't in New York City. You ain't in New York City. You was in down south. Down south be the home of the brave. We got clips with 50, so you should call it the home of the cage. Ready for war. Broad day we knocking you off. Now you hear it. Yeah, rest in peace, Spro. Yeah, Palm Beach. Yeah, you don't know about that. You don't know about that. But you was in that. You was in that Florida. Yeah, you was in that home of the brave state, man.